Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add email signature in Salesforce. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So first, we will need to access to our profile. So here you will need just to click on your avatar and then we will need to go to settings. After that, we need to search for the email. So from here, we will find my email settings, and from there, we will need to say all these informations. So from here, you will find sent through Salesforce or some other services. So basically, we are here, we have our email there, and from here, you can find your signature. So basically here you can add your signature, you can add your name, address, or your status, or your role, etc., or whatever you like. So as you can see, you will need just to respect the character maximum for the signature, and you will need just to add it there. So basically, another way to do it if you are using the Salesforce Classic is by doing the same uh, steps. You will need just to go to your profile and simply go here. You will need just to go to your settings. After that, you will need to go to email settings, my email settings, and there you will find the signature. And basically, you will do the same for your signature. You will need just to go to the signature and you will need to add your signature, my name, address, or whatever, or before that it should be role as an example, and then you will need just to click on save and you will have your signature that will be saved in your email templates. So simply those are the steps how to do it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.